Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Thysiamore, and you're tuned into BIO with Thysiamore. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a big mask that can tighten your pores, remove black hair, remove white hair, remove acne, and what have you. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. For today's mask, we'll be needing 1 egg and we'll be needing some tissue paper. Okay, so for this egg, we are just going to be needing the egg whites. So right now, I'm just going to break the egg and extract the egg white from it and we'll be using that for the mask. Okay, you guys, so I just separated the egg white from the egg shell. In here we have the egg yolk, which we will not be needing for this video. So this is the egg white. Now you want to do a patch test on your body, on your skin before doing this mask, because some people are allergic to the smell of egg and they cannot stand raw egg on their body or on their face. So you want to make sure you do a patch test to know if you can be able to stand the smell of raw egg before attempting this mask. Okay guys, so I'm just going to keep this away and deal with it later, you know, in my stomach. Okay, so, and we are going to come back to this. So to apply the egg white on our face, we'll be needing a brush. This is my foundation brush, and of course you need to have washed your face and prepped it for the mask. Okay, so right now I'm going to be taking some tissue paper. About this length should do the job. Any kind of tissue paper at all is okay for this mask. And now the first thing I'm going to do is to apply the egg white on my face using the brush. And first of all, I'm going to just, you know, whisk it with my foundation brush so the product can, you know, saturate into the brush. And now I'm going to gently apply on my face. Okay, be careful when you white is a great ingredient for tightening the pores because it contains great protein that helps to, you know, close pores, and it's very great for skin softening. It helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines on your face. And though it smells, yeah, I must confess it does, but yeah, it is a great way to keep your skin very dewy, glowy. You know, it is a great ingredient for that. You could do this. You could apply egg white on your face mixed with some milk or raw milk, powdered milk. Make sure it's hot and use it for this mask as well. And you could also mix egg with Vaseline and leave it on your face overnight. When you wake up in the morning, you're going to glow like the sun itself. Trust me. I tried that once, although I didn't film a video for that, and I was surprised, guys. I was literally surprised by the result. I glowed up in the morning, you know. So I'll probably make a video. If you guys want to see that, just let me know in the comment section. I'll make a video. And by the way, if you haven't seen my previous video on how I taught you guys how to lighten the skin, lighten the underarm, lighten the hair, I'll leave a link to that video up here so you guys can check it out. And yeah, so this is well saturated. On my skin now, guys. Before it dries quickly, we have to apply the tissue paper. You need just a single sheet of the tissue paper. We are going to separate them in small portions and apply them on our face. So right now, I'm going to apply. I hope you guys can see that. I'm applying. I'm creating a mask with it. Hope you guys can see that. I already look like Lagbaja. Yeah, cool, right? Yeah, so I'm just going to, take off the excess from here because we won't be needing that, and also I can barely breathe right now. So what you're just going to do is to create an opening in between your nostrils so you could breathe. Yeah. And you don't need this on your mouth. So I'm just going to, oops. So we are going to go back in with the egg whites just to stick this properly. You want to be careful. If you drop too much, the tissue paper is going to come off. So you just want to dab the product, or rather the egg white, on your face, just like this, just like you can see. And yeah, so we're going to go ahead and do the other side of my face. Remember, just a tiny portion, and then apply it right here, just like this, and just take out the excess. Guys, this can be a little bit tough, so you just have to be patient and take your time with it. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. So yeah, that is the way to do it. I'm just going to finish up my entire face right now because I have my mirror by my side and have you in front of me. So I just want to look at the mirror and complete it before it dries up, and I'll be right back to show you guys what it looks like.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so I can barely talk right now. So this is what it looks like after doing my whole face. Do I look like a mommy? I feel like I look like a mommy at this very moment. But not to worry guys, we are going to be leaving this for the next 20 to 30 minutes or until it dries completely. I mean dries completely, like it sticks to your skin that you almost forget you have a mask on your face, because that way when pulling out you're going to be able to pull majority of the whitehead, blackhead, and whatsoever we want to take out of our face. Okay, so I need to stop talking right now because when I talk too much it tends to break. Okay, this is just the early stage of it. It's not dried yet, so I need to control the way I talk, meaning I have to go, and I'll be right back after 20 to 30 minutes to show you guys what this looks like. Okay, so stay with me. Okay you guys, so this is what my face looks like after leaving this for an hour. I had to leave it for an hour so I could get the best out of it. I can barely talk right now, so that's why I'm making this voice over, and
right now we are going to be taking it off gently. So yeah, I'm pulling it from the bottom. Okay, that way we can be able to pull out the white heads, the black heads from that direction. That way it will pull out easily and more effectively. So you want to pull out from the bottom, okay, from the bottom. So right now I'm just gently pulling it out little by little, and I will be showing you guys every details. So gently pull from the bottom. I know it may not come out seamlessly, but you just have to be careful. I just did mine carefully and I got the best results. So yeah, you could do it this way. Pull out from both sides first before pulling out the bottom completely. That way you can be able to get the mask off while retaining the pieces of tissue paper together, without it scattering all over the place, just like the way I'm doing right now. Okay guys, so this is me pulling the top. This is a very sensitive area. Whiteheads are usually gathered up at the bridge of the nose or at the chin. So this is me just taking it up gently, like I told you guys, and I was able to realize the mask, my facial structure out of the mask without breaking everything apart. And wow, this is what it looks like. You guys see the way my skin is glowing, like for real. So right now I'm just taking off the excess tissue paper off my face, and I'm going to be back in a minute to properly show you guys everything that came off my face. You guys are going to be amazed. Like, you guys are really going to be amazed.
Camera, okay, you guys can see that, like, see this white hair-like things popping up from it. This is it. You guys see, so, and also some black heads, which I can clearly see. Okay guys, so this is what I was trying to show you. I didn't know my camera wasn't focusing on it, so you guys can see those hairs popping out, and if you look closely, you guys can see white heads as well, and a couple of black heads. You guys see, you see that? See, those are white heads. You guys see that, right? Those are white heads from my face, like even the ones I couldn't see. It extracted everything. I made sure it dried well on my face. That is pretty an amazing result. You guys look over here again. You see white heads. You guys see them? I hope you guys can see them clearly this time around. You guys see facial hair, black hair popping up on your skin and your nose. Then this is definitely what you should do. You guys see these hairs? Yeah, so okay you guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you learned a thing or two. Please be sure to come back to the comment section and let us know how this worked for you, and you could also tell me videos that you'd like to see in the future. I'll be sure to consider them. Share this video with your family and friends. People out there want to know how to be able to remove their blackheads at home without buying any expensive products. You could be of help to them by sharing this video to them. And yeah, until my next time, be sure to keep on being safe, keep on being productive. And if you're a new subscriber, well, thank you for subscribing to this channel. Welcome to the family. This is BIO with Thysiamore, all things beauty, skincare, and fashion vlogs. And I bet you are going to love being here. And if you're an old subscriber, well, thank you for always watching all my videos, and I hope you enjoy them. Feel free to comment in the comment sections and tell me what you think about the video. And like I said, you could tell me the next video that you'd like to see, and I'll definitely consider it. Well, now that brings us to the end of today's video. Until my next video, goodbye.